tags. Now, back in the days when question tags were taught, the two key rules that teachers would always present before students are that positive statements go with negative question tags, while negative statement goes with positive question tags. And this is the diagram we'll have here. That positive statement, once you make a positive statement, the question tag associated or that goes with it will be the negative question tag. And what do we mean by negative question tag? It's that question, that short question that has not by the side, but the not is contracted. That's where we have aren't you, all right? So the question tag is formed by the verb seen in the positive statement, or the positive question tag is formed by the verb seen in the negative statement. Now, if we have positive statement and the question tag for it, as we said, is negative, we have to contract that verb word alongside the negative tag on it. That is, aren't you? So we have, you are afraid. That is the positive statement. Positive statement means that you are saying that is what the are means, that is positive. It's the verb that states the positivity of the statement, while also the verb states the negativity of the tag, the question tag. Now, the sentence we have says, you are afraid. That means, yes, the person is afraid. So the question tag becomes what? Aren't you? Because we said rule number 1 says positive statement attracts negative question tag. So you are afraid, the tag, the question tag becomes aren't you? And remember I said that the question tag rather, it's always contracted. The words are contracted. Instead of are not you, it wouldn't sound okay. Are not you, it's now contracted to aren't you by the use of our apostrophe, which aids word contraction. Now, the next one we have says negative statement goes with positive question tag. That plus means that they go hand in hand. So positive statement plus negative question tag. It can be positive statement plus positive question tag. No. Negative, remember we said two opposites, they attract. So positive statement, negative question tag. Negative statement, positive question tag. So we have, you aren't afraid. That means the person is not afraid. Are you? That's the positive question tag. Remember I said that the verb word in the positive statement or negative statement is carried over to either the negative question tag contracting the word or the positive tag not contracting the word, but rather picking the verb from the negative question statement to the positive question tag. Now let's look at this. It says the weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. That means we have a positive statement. That's a positive statement. So we are looking at, that's why they wrote the key things in a different ink, a blue ink from the other words. So it says the weather is nice today. So this is a positive statement. As such, it demands negative question tag. So it becomes what? Isn't, the weather is nice today. Isn't it? That's what it will become. Isn't it? Because is a positive statement and it demands a negative question tag. The second one says the clouds aren't coming back. The clouds aren't coming back. So this is a negative statement and demands a positive question tag, which becomes are they? The clouds aren't coming back. Are they? Why? Because clouds here is pluralized, and that is why we're saying are they. For the first one, I said isn't it, because they said the weather, so it's referred to as it. When we change the weather to pronoun, it's it. So we can't say isn't the weather, rather we say isn't it. Aren't they, instead of saying aren't the clouds. So basically, when we have a noun word that we are referring to, when we want to change to positive question tag, we'll go with the pronoun form of those words.